Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use simple green foaming coil cleaner for optimal results. First, safety is key, so always turn off or disconnect the power to your unit. Make sure the coils are cool before you begin. Next, remove any outer casing or caging to fully expose the coils. This also allows you to clear away any large debris like leaves or dirt, ensuring the cleaner can work effectively on the coil surfaces. Now it's time to apply the cleaner. Give the aerosol can a good shake for about 10 seconds to activate the foaming action. Then, spray an even, generous coat of foam over all the dirty coil surfaces. If you can, try to spray from the inside of the unit outward. This helps push grime through the coil fins. Remember to carefully avoid spraying any electrical wires or connections to prevent damage. Once applied, let the foaming cleaner work its magic for about 2 to 5 minutes. For coils that produce condensate, the product is designed to be self-rinsing as the unit operates. However, for other types of coils, or if you prefer, you can gently wipe them clean with a damp cloth or use a low-pressure water spray. If you encounter any extremely stubborn dirt, feel free to repeat the application process. Finally, after the coils are clean and dry, reassemble any removed casings. Once everything is back in place and dry, you can safely restore power to your unit. Regular cleaning with this foaming coil cleaner helps your equipment run more efficiently, potentially saving you money on energy bills, and can extend its overall lifespan. This non-caustic and non-flammable formula is excellent for removing dirt, grease, and grime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.